with all of the issues that we found on the board, we've been keeping an updated board file in case we were able to print this again. But the board cost for these two was $713, so we would need more financial support from FlashBack in order to produce another board with the same changes. Another issue that we run into in the future is QMS did the population for free because we are UCF students, but since we are graduating, to place all these surface mount components, they normally charge $750. But for future changes, we are keeping up with all the issues found on this board, and it will be ready to produce another one if needed.
And here is our Summit prototype board, which was what we would be using to show you the flashback functionality running on the hardware if we had a working board. Now here is the screen that we'll be showing. As you can see, right now we're playing back from recorded video. This is just our test case that we're running. Soon there'll be a notification that pops up that shows you that the primary stream, which is what you're currently watching, has gone to commercial. So here, this is the pop-up that's saying we've switched to a secondary channel because our primary is on commercial. As you can see, we're also displaying the current time. Right now the system time is off just because the GUM6 Overa doesn't have a running or correct time clock right now. So it's showing 12:47. As you can see, it says switching to secondary, primary on commercial break, which as you can see right here, it is.
Here is our test cases again for our algorithms. We're actually decoding two different streams in the background. Once it detects this commercial, you'll see the reaction that it takes. It's the current preferences we have is to auto-tune whenever a commercial is detected. This is a secondary stream just to show that it's not recorded previously. You can actually change the stream. Along with our GUI comes some other functionalities such as disabling the flashback algorithm, selecting the channels we wish to tune to, selecting and viewing recordings, and selecting our recording options. This is what the selection GUI looks like. This is how it looks if a user has decided to view a recording. As you can see, the video is still being played on the top left corner, along with a list of current available viewings of different recordings. And if a user decides that they wish to record primary, secondary, or to cancel all the recordings they currently have. For now, let's record the secondary. Now the detections are running on both the streams at the same time. So once the secondary stream goes on commercial, it should have some output as well. Just cancel that recording before it turns back to the primary. As you can see, the primary has been detected that it's off commercial break, and it'll automatically auto-tune to the primary. Just to show that it's still running. Now, we recorded a little bit of the secondary screen earlier, so let's show that recording real quick. And we're back to where we were recorded in the secondary stream.
Okay, so here's our demo or example of going to commercial on a live stream. As you can see, we just went to commercial. It says switching to secondary just because primary has just went to commercial. As you can see, 2029 is the current system time.